Welcome to the all-new 2023 Cougar Sport 2100 RK. Folks, if you are in the market for a lightweight, super affordable, and extremely well-built fifth wheel, this is one you don't want to miss out on. Coming in under 26 feet and only 8,500 pounds dry, this is the 2023 Cougar Sport 2100 RK. Of course, RK being rear kitchen. And if you're a couple looking again to be able to get out there, start RVing, a rear kitchen like this is an excellent floor plan. Why? Because you have great countertop space and excellent flow all the way throughout. What I mean by that is, I don't know about you folks, my wife and I really like to do a lot of entertaining. So if I'm back here cooking, preparing a charcuterie board, I can have people hanging out in the dinette, in the sofa, talking. If they're watching TV, I'm not going to be in the way being back here in the kitchen. And again, it just is a great flow all the way through. You can see good storage up top, plenty of storage down below. You do have plenty of room down there for a trash can, which is always a big plus in my book. And you still have space for pots and pans. You're not cannibalizing any space, which I love. You have the seamless countertop with the undermount stainless steel bowl. Kind of like the designer faucet on here, kind of keeping with that sporty look. You got the nice high rise there. Recessed 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover, of course the oven, additional storage underneath that, microwave, and you have the range hood there as well. Now, the other thing you'll notice is that you have a full Furion suite of appliances. So microwave, range hood, your oven, and your refrigerator. A lot of times manufacturers will mix and match. I love that everything is going to be in the same family. With this Furion model here, this is a 12-volt compressor-driven refrigerator too, so that you're able to run it just off your batteries and solar. Now, because it is a Keystone Cougar product, this one does come with the Solar Flex 200. If you want to upgrade to the 400, you can do that, and you can get the inverter that comes with that 400 too, so that way you can have inverted outlets. So again, you can run all of your 120 appliances, your coffee maker, and everything else right from your batteries and solar. This is a tri-fold sofa, and I love that because in a coach this size, even though it's a couple's model, you still have another bed for guests if you want them to stay the night, and I love that option. Right down below, they removed all the carpet. You can see the marine grade woven vinyl flooring right down there, so super easy cleanup. LED lights throughout. Windows are abundant in this space, letting in just a ton of natural light. The dinette right here on the campside with the window and TV above, good storage there, and you get a large pantry right here, tank monitoring panel there, and then our thermostat for our AC and furnace will be right up there. Of course, we have the AC with the Blade AC system, so we get that full 360-degree cooling. And again, folks, you're getting all this in under 26 foot, so you're getting the towability of a fifth wheel with, essentially like a travel trailer length. So I love, love, love that they were able to pack all of this in this unit. When we take a step up into the bathroom, you'll notice the mirrored medicine cabinet. Right over here is the bathroom. You get that pressed laminate countertop, plenty of storage space underneath. With our porcelain bowl, you can see there is enough room to be able to sit around that. And when I step in the shower at 6 foot tall, folks, I have plenty of room thanks to this skylight that spans almost the entire majority of the shower here. So you can probably be 6'2", maybe even 6'3", and still be able to stand up. I can actually turn sideways in here, and it kind of has this built-in door. And this is going to be mold and mildew resistant. You don't have to dry it off. You can just roll it right back up, and it will be ready for the next use. And as we step into the bedroom, of course, the queen bed is this center here. Nightstands on both sides with electrical outlets, USB ports. And once again, those electrical outlets are inverted if you get that Solar Flex 400. Plenty of storage, a secondary AC right here, and you have a mount for a TV plus awesome wardrobe and storage space. Of course, folks, the amenities and features don't stop on the inside. Let's go take a look at the outside of the Cougar Sport 2100 RK. As we take a look at the outside of the 21 RK, you'll notice a couple things right away. Once, of course, will be the nice graphics package they have on there. Again, it kind of fits in with that sport name. It's not the old swoops that we see. It is just nice, clean lines. You'll also notice frameless windows. I personally really like those. I think they're a lot more aesthetically pleasing. Plus, it helps protect your seals because they're tucked behind the glass. And when they open, they essentially tilt open so you can have them open while it's raining. And as long as it's not a sideways rain, you'll get some nice airflow in there without getting the rain inside. We have power stabilizer jacks here. If we take a look at our basement storage, I like that you don't have any vertical piping running through here. You also will have your TV hookup right over to the side, and again, that is an inverted outlet. Of course, it is lit. And on the far side, we have the majority of other hookups. So we'll have our solar charge controller there. We also have a battery disconnect, and this one has a Solar Flex 400 as we talked about inside, so this one does have that inverter. Coming down a little bit further, you'll also get tankless water heater. This is something that Keystone's been moving to on a lot of their units and all the Cougar line. I love having a tankless water heater because now you can take a much longer shower without having to worry about your water running out. And as you take a look up top, of course, we're provided plenty of shade thanks to that power awning with the LED light strip, a couple speakers out there as well. Getting into the coach is nice and simple thanks to the Lippert solid steps with the large grab handle, and I love the door. You have this tempered glass door with the Sport on there. Really cool thing about this that a lot of people don't realize though is that right here, you have a window. So you can't really see it from the outside, but it allows you to see through from the inside. And this one is thin shade ready. It's prepped. So if you want that extra privacy at night, you can have that installed too. So we come around to the back side. You'll notice this one has a hitch on there. So this is a 3,000-pound hitch with your flat four. So if your state allows you to have what they call a train, which is having another towed unit behind your fifth wheel, this one is good to go for a boat trailer, really whatever else you need to throw on there. Backup camera prep. You have the ladder prep so you can climb up onto the fully walkable roof. And then as we come around to the off-camp side, one more thing that I do want to show you is going to be your convenience center. So if we pop right into here, you will see your convenience center with everything you need from your Key TV multi-source controller, outside shower, easy winterization, and the fact you have insulated valves. I say this all the time, if you're ever looking to do cold weather camping, having insulated valves is an absolute must. So I love that they put that in there, especially at this price point. And you can see right here all those other connections we talked about with both of your battery disconnects because you have one solely for the solar itself. Coming in under 26 foot, folks, and that 8,500-pound mark dry, the 2100 RK is a fantastic fifth wheel. It's lightweight, fully packed, and affordable. Now, if you're looking for something with all that, but you want to be able to sleep a family, stick around, I got one for you.